Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to prepare your iPhone for iOS 27 beta. Installing a beta version of iOS is an exciting way to try out new features before the official rollout. However, beta software is often unfinished and may contain bugs, performance issues, or app compatibility problems. Therefore, before installing iOS 27 beta on your iPhone, it's important to take a few precautions to protect your data and ensure a smoother experience. That said, let's get started. So, first and foremost, I would recommend you to create a complete backup of your iPhone. Note that the most important step before installing any beta software is creating a full backup of your device. Beta updates can occasionally cause unexpected issues, including data loss or failed installations. To back up your iPhone, connect your device to Wi Fi. Then you have to open the Settings app and tap your name at the top. Then you have to choose iCloud. After that, head over to iCloud Backup and hit Backup Now option. You can also create a backup using Finder on your Mac or iTunes using your Windows device. Having a recent backup ensures you can restore your important photos, messages, apps, and settings if anything goes wrong. Then I would suggest you to check device compatibility. Note that before downloading iOS 27 beta, make sure to verify that your iPhone model supports the new software. Apple may discontinue support for some older devices with each major iOS rollout. You should also ensure that your device is functioning properly and has sufficient storage available. A lack of free storage can lead to installation failures or performance problems after updating. A good rule is to keep at least 15 to 20 GB of free space available before installing a major beta update. Next up, I will recommend you to update all your apps on your device. Note that many app developers release updates to improve compatibility with upcoming iOS versions. Running outdated apps on beta software can increase the chances of crashes and glitches. To update your apps, head over to the App Store and then tap your profile picture. Now you have to scroll down to available updates. Then you have to tap on Update All option to update all the apps at once. Keeping apps updated helps reduce compatibility issues and enhances overall stability after installing iOS 27 beta. Then I will recommend you to charge your iPhone and ensure a stable internet connection. Downloading and installing a beta update can take a significant amount of time. Interruptions during the process may cause installation errors. Therefore, before starting out, make sure to charge your iPhone at least 50%. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and keep your device plugged into a charger whenever possible. At the same time, make sure to avoid downloading the update over unstable mobile data connections. A stable environment helps ensure the installation completes successfully. And finally, I will recommend you to fully prepare for potential bugs and issues. Keep in mind that beta software is designed primarily for testing and feedback. Even if iOS 27 beta introduces exciting new features, it may also include bugs that affect battery life, performance, notifications, or third party apps. So, before installing, understand that apps may not work correctly. Be prepared for occasional crashes or glitches, and consider using a secondary device if your iPhone is essential for work or daily tasks. And at the same time, make sure to review known issues published by Apple after the beta rollout. Managing expectations will help you enjoy the new features while avoiding unnecessary frustrations. And that's all there is to it. Installing the iOS 27 beta is a great way to explore Apple's latest innovations before the public rollout. By creating a backup, checking compatibility, updating apps, ensuring sufficient battery and storage, as well as understanding the risks of beta software, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering major problems.